Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're like me, you're always on the hunt for a skincare routine that can tackle dryness, scars, and stretch marks, all while being gentle enough for sensitive skin. Today, we're taking a look at a product bundle that claims to do all that and more, the Bio Oil Skincare Bundle. This set includes their skincare oil, dry skin gel, and body lotion, all in travel sizes. Whether you're looking for an effective pregnancy stretch mark solution or just need a reliable routine for dry skin, this bundle might be the one for you. But before you rush out to buy it, make sure you're subscribed to Beautyistic and have that bell icon clicked so you don't miss out on any of our honest beauty reviews. Now let's break down what this Bio Oil bundle brings to the table. First, the Bio Oil Skincare Oil is a well-known staple for improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It's dermatologist recommended and clinically proven to even out skin tone and texture. Then we have the Dry Skin Gel, which targets extra dry skin, offering a unique, quick-absorbing formula that's perfect for areas needing deep hydration. And lastly, the Bio Oil Body Lotion, a lightweight moisturizer designed to soften and hydrate your skin. The best part? All of these products are formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and are safe for use on both the face and body. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using this bundle for the past couple of weeks, and here's my experience. The skincare oil has a lightweight, non-greasy feel, which is often a challenge with oils. It absorbs into the skin quickly, leaving behind a smooth finish, not a slick residue. I tested this on a few old scars I have, and while I can't say they disappeared completely, I've definitely noticed a subtle improvement in the overall appearance. If you're using it for stretch marks, consistency is key, and I'd recommend using it twice daily for the best results. The Dry Skin Gel was a surprise favorite. It's so easy to apply and absorbs almost instantly, leaving the skin feeling deeply hydrated but not sticky. It's a great product for anyone dealing with cracked skin or rough patches. The body lotion is ultra light, and while I wasn't sure how effective it could be given its thin texture, it definitely gets the job done. My skin feels soft and moisturized after using it, and it's not too heavy, so it's perfect for layering on throughout the day. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, all of these products are super easy to incorporate into your routine. They absorb quickly, and none of them leave a greasy finish, which is a big win for anyone who hates that sticky feeling. The Dry Skin Gel is a standout for those dealing with more severe dryness. It really locks in moisture. Another pro is that they're all dermatologically tested and safe for sensitive skin. On the flip side, the price point might be a consideration for some. While this bundle is a great value for the size and variety of products, if you're on a tight budget, it could be hard to justify the cost. Also, I wish the scent of the oil was a bit more neutral. It's not overpowering, but if you're sensitive to fragrance, you might want to keep that in mind. When it comes to value for money, I do feel like this bundle is a solid investment. Bio Oil has a reputation for effective skincare, and this set covers multiple skin concerns: scars, stretch marks, and dry skin without breaking the bank. However, if you're primarily looking for a product just for stretch marks, there are other options out there that might be more affordable. If you're looking for alternatives, a product like Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula is often a top choice for stretch marks and skin hydration. It's a more affordable option and has similar benefits, though it may not have the same lightweight feel as the Bio Oil products. Now, for those wondering about the longevity of these products, I can say that I've used the Dry Skin Gel and Lotion consistently for 2 weeks, and both have held up well. I haven't noticed any drying out or changes in texture. I can't speak to long-term use yet, but given how well these products hydrate, I'd expect them to last through multiple bottles, especially the Dry Skin Gel, which packs quite a punch in a small amount. Before we wrap up, if this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support our channel. Your engagement helps us bring you more honest reviews like this one. And if you're already itching to try this set, you'll find the link in the comments below. As for my final verdict, I'd say the Bio Oil Skincare Bundle is a great option for anyone looking to target dryness, stretch marks, or skin scars. It's suitable for sensitive skin, it's easy to use, and it delivers visible results over time. The value is there, and the formulas are gentle yet effective. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially if you have a skin condition that requires consistent care. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've tried the set, drop a comment below, share your thoughts, and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.